You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I have a new Disney Pixar digital mystery box set for you. So crazily, it's been 30 years. I don't know how that's possible, but it's been 30 years since Toy Story came out. So they have a new digital mystery box, and this includes 5 image sets in this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what image sets are included in this digital mystery box. So first, we're going to have the Toy Story 30th Anniversary New Kid on the Block. Oh, how cute. Next up, Andy. Does that say aging friendship? Or acing. Oh, I was like, oh, they are aging. They're in their 30s now. Aging friendship. You gotta love the Andy boot. That's Buzz Lightyear Andy boot there. Oh, how cute would these be for stickers, too? This one would be a great sticker. Or you could put it on you could sublimate, and also you can go ahead and put it on Cricut printable iron-on or vinyl too. Oh, that'd be so cute. If you have Toy Story themed room too, you could cut these in like vinyl and put them up on the wall. Oh, that's cute with the yeehaw out of the rope. Love Bullseye. We're on a roll. That'd be super cute to put on a shirt. So that is one. There's 22 images in this. Now altogether, you're going to get 139 images. So there is a ton of images in this. And also included is the Toy Story 30th Anniversary Woody's Roundup. Lots of Woody and Bullseye. Get those spurs sparking. Oh, the finest sheriff in town. That'd be cute even for a Halloween costume. Put that on and like a baby even, and then they can be a little sheriff with a little hat. Ooh, this one's really pretty. This has like mandalas around it. Yodelay-hee-hoo. That is so stinking cute. That is so cute. And then there's some simpler ones here. And the Prospector. I like the Cool It Cowboy. Wrangling Dreams. Oh, Sweetheart of the Rodeo. That's super cute. Gone Country. And Howdy Partner. Oh, that's so cute. Who doesn't love Toy Story? I was shocked when I was like 30 years. No way has it been 30 years. But apparently it's been 30 years. And we're also getting the Toy Story 30th Anniversary Pizza Planet. So this is going to have all your Pizza Planet things. Which I think some of these are really neat to put on shirts. I see people with Pizza Planet shirts, but here you can go ahead and make your own. Freshest in the Galaxy. I like this one. Prepare yourself for a cheesy invasion. That's super cute. And then it's got our little alien guy here. I love that one. This one's cute too. Pizza Planet Delivery Shuttle serving your local star cluster. 1995. Holy cow. I thought for sure there was a typo when it was 30 years. I was like, that wasn't 30 years ago. And then I did the math and I'm like, oh my gosh, it was 30 years ago. You are cleared to enter. And then this is like their order for Al McWiggin at Al's Toy Barn. Cheap, cheap chicken. Mega Gulp. I thought that said Mega Cheap. But the little bill. So that is that one. And then we have this one, which I think this is really neat because these are cut and draw, right? So you can go ahead and have it do a couple things I thought of with these. Oh, look at little Rexy. These are so cute. Oh, we got our Slinky dog here. But how cute are these? You could go ahead and make stickers out of these. You could just do cut and draw, and then you can fill in, color in. Or you could do the same thing with like coloring book pages. Think of that too. You can make coloring book pages of it, have it draw, and then they can go ahead and color it in. But these are super, super cute. I love having some cute drawn ones that you can do the cut and draw and drawn. How cute are those? And there is, let's see, one more, I believe. Yep. The Toy Story 30th Anniversary Toy Box era. And these are all going to be in those classic Toy Story colors. 30 years of fun. Wow. It's got all the different little characters. Even the little penguin guy, which I don't remember his name. He's from the newer ones, but it's got the little penguin. Oh, and Sporky, too. He's kind of hidden behind there, but it's got Sporky. Go ahead and see that on a shirt. That would be really cute on a shirt. Love the You've Got a Friend in Me. We're all friends here. Ooh, this one looks neat. 30 years of friendship. Ooh, that one's really neat. How cool is that? Anybody turning 30, that'd be really neat too for a 30th birthday. I'm just saying. So that is everything that is included in Cricut's Toy Story 30th Anniversary Digital Mystery Box. Now the digital mystery boxes are available for a short time only, and they are $29.99. But if you have access, you will save on that purchase also. And once you have these, you purchase them, you will have them forever. And there's 139 images in this set, so that is a ton of images that you're getting for only $29.99. Now, once you purchase it, go ahead and sign out of your design space and then sign back in, and then go into your image sets, and then you can go ahead and see them there. And let me show you real quick how to get to image sets, just in case anybody has a question with our new image panel here. So on any of these that say see all, you can go ahead and click see all on any of them. At the bottom here, you'll hit advanced search. And then up here, we're going to go ahead and type in Toy Story. And then we're going to select image sets right here. And then that will take you to your image sets, which I have several in here because they've had previous ones. But you're going to be looking for the ones that they'll each say the 30th anniversary on them. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of these images? There's lots of cute ones. 139 images is a ton for a digital mystery box. So hope you guys enjoy it. Leave in the comment below what do you think, and we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, guys.